Alright, this is our presentation of our slaw, y'all. I'm going to call it the broccoli slaw. And I'm going to show you how to make this after this presentation. Now I add pecans on top and parsley flakes. The pecans give it a little crunch. And it tastes good. Tastes good. It's different from potato salad and macaroni salad. We have macaroni in there too. We have the raisins and we got dried cherries, black cranberries in it. It tastes fabulous, y'all. This is a switch when your guests. I'm smacking and two only become. It's fabulous, y'all. I'm going to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel and getting these recipes. I almost dropped the fork down. Because this right here, I'll please anybody who's a vegetarian, even vegan. Maybe sweeten as much as you want. I'm gonna be smacking y'all. Excuse me. This you're in a real kitchen and talking to a real person. And I got some the florets of the cauliflower in there, and the broccoli, and the corn is out, and the carrots is all punched up. I'm gonna tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm bringing to you another recipe, and this recipe is what I call my broccoli slaw, a broccoli salad, or whatever you want to call it. Now, the summer's here and everything is so bountiful, and you could just go out there and fix anything and put it in a salad and go on by your business, y'all. Tell you. So what I want to do is do these carrots. I got carrots, I got broccoli, I got cauliflower, I got onions, and I got some of these berries and golden raisins. I got it at Walmart. It's a great value. And I think they are fantastic, y'all. I really do. So you get a blend of this. See what you got in there? See those blends you got in there? Now we're going to put these in this. Now I got a box of raisins. But I think we're going to go with that. And then we got macaroni. Macaroni's over there. And so what we're going to do is start blending this up in the processor. Let's see what we're going to do with this, y'all. Okay, now the carrots is going to have to be poached. Because that scared me to death. But we're going to poach the carrots until we get them in a good little consistency. Right there. How about that? I know y'all don't want to sit up here and watch me do all this. So we're going to get these just right. And we do the carrots first because we want them to be more, not hunky, but just more of a shredded like, you know. So we keep doing this because I think they're not at their peak that we want them to be. I think we're getting there, y'all. Let's see. I think we're getting there. Yeah, I think that's fine. Don't y'all think that's fine? Maybe just a little bit more. Maybe just a little bit more. Okay, we're going to do a little bit more in here. Okay, now I think that's perfect. I think that's a perfect consistency right there. Don't y'all think? I do too. Now we're going to add a broccoli. See what that looks like. And we're going to add our onions. Now you can put anything you want in your salad. Like I always tell y'all, anything you want, you put in your, anything you want, you put in your recipe. Anything that you like, you put it in there, and if it don't taste good, you know you done it. But that's what recipe is all about. Okay, we're going to toss that. Let's see what that's going to look like in a slaw. Now, I think you buy it in a slaw. But, I mean, okay, if you can't, now look, that is perfect, y'all. That is perfect, perfect, perfect. Look at that. That's perfect. Ain't that perfect? And what I'm going to do is take this out and pour this in a bowl and pumps on some more of this color. Let's see. Take this out. And we're going to pump it again. We're going to take this out though, because we don't want the carrots to be too... Alright. Coming back and show you what we got right here. And it is about the texture that we want. Now some of them don't have to be all crunched up in there. You just do them as you desire, the texture that you want. So we're punching the rest of the cauliflower and the broccoli separate. Okay, and I think this might be what we want, y'all. Let's see. I think this is about what we want. Yeah, we want that right there. That's fine right there. Don't you think that's fine? I think that's perfect. Now, like I said, now we could cut up some little broccoli and put in there. Like little pieces and stuff. We can do that. And make it look pretty. So we're going to pour that in there like that. More dishes to wash. Okay. And we can add little pieces in there like that. How about that, y'all? We add little pieces in there like that. And I think that'd be perfect because it's a little slaw. A little cutting board. Got dishes over here washed. Already washed, y'all. Already washed. So we're going to add little pieces in there like that. Little pieces like that. Take some of the stems off. And add little pieces in there like this. Since it's going to be a slaw, you know, we want a little pieces of broccoli in there. Okay. Okay, now. Yeah, I think that'd be perfect. Then the cauliflower do the same way. Put little pieces of that in there. Cut the stems off and add the little florets in there. I think that'd be perfect, don't you think? I think it would be too. So we're going to cut all this off and add those pieces in there. Like that. So we can show that we have a little texture going on in here. Okay, how about that? Now. Okay. Now, I think that's perfect, don't you? See, it's got the pieces of broccoli and the pieces of cauliflower in there, right? And that's what we're doing as a base. That's going to be our base, and we'll be right back. All right, we're going to get ready to assemble the slaw or the salad. And we got, like I said, we got broccoli pieces in and a little cauliflower pieces in. So what we're going to do now is add our macaroni, y'all. I have to use my hand like this because I did not want to stick that in there because I'm going to do that recipe with something else. So y'all know y'all done that before. Don't be saying y'all do that. Now, I know y'all done. I know y'all use your fingers. Okay, we got the macaroni and the cauliflower together. Now you put more macaroni in there if you like, or you just want just a semi. You do semi. Now we're gonna put the raisins, the currants, the cranberries. We're gonna put all that in there, just like that. Looking good already, ain't it, y'all? Okay, we got this all mixed up in there like that. Then we're gonna add some cheese. I'm gonna tell you something funny, y'all. I thought this cheese was on sale. It was $5.98, and you know I didn't want to pay that, but I wanted to pay it because I was at the restaurant. They were getting ready to close, and I just went on and got it. So I like to put the shredded cheese in this because you're not melting it, and it'll be fine. I'm gonna put the whole smack thing in there, probably like that. Got it all in there like that. Look at that. Don't that look pretty already, y'all? Looking good already. Ooh. We're gonna put some black pepper. Now you can put white pepper in there. I have some, but I don't feel like reaching out and getting it. So I'm just going to put a little black pepper in there like that. And we're going to add some salt. I have my salt here somewhere. Let's see where the salt goes. Well, I got the salt right here. Some salt. Shake it on like that. Okay. And we're going to put some Parmesan cheese in it. Like this. Okay. Stir it all up. Look at that. Now you put as much salt and pepper you want in it, and cheese, whatever you want in it. You do that. And I think I'm going to use this whole thing of cheese. I'm not going to use that on nothing else. Nope, because I'm disappointed. When I get disappointed with something, I don't use it. Okay, now we got it all like this. Now you can put pickles in here, or even you can put coconut, whatever you decide. Okay, our dressing is going to be sour cream. Oh, let's put the sugar in. Put the sugar in, y'all. Put the sugar in there. Now this is going to be sour cream. Not that much. And we'll have mayonnaise with it. Let's see. Get me another spoon right over here. Okay, another spoon. We're going to make sure we put enough in there that we won't be overpowering it with mayonnaise. Sour cream and mayonnaise. Put this all together, y'all. Look here. Now you can add chicken to this if you want. Yes, you can put tuna if you want. Whatever you desire, that's what you put with your recipe. Now we got this all blended in this bowl. Looks beautiful on it. Now we're going to see what it tastes like. And we'll be right back with the taste results. Okay? Be right back. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the remainder of this cheese in there. Because, hey, like I said, I don't know use for it. So I'm going to just put the rest of the cheese in there. I'm going to put some more Parmesan cheese in it. It tastes fabulous, y'all. I promise it do. And if I need any more black pepper, you put that in there. You can put pepperino, that's crushed red peppers. Or you can put garlic in. I didn't put any garlic in this. And then we're going to add some parsley flakes, just like this, y'all. Now, we're going to add some pecans. Yes, we're going to add some pecans in. Just like that. We're going to stir this in like this. And that's all we need for this salad. This is it right here, y'all. The pecans is in there. Give it a good crunch. And you can put coconut in here, like I said. You want coconut, you can do it. But I like this little presentation that we have right here with the cheese and the pecans and everything in here, y'all. You know, it tastes good. Okay, we're going to be right back with the presentation and let you see what it looks like, okay?